Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the easiest way to update the Disney Plus app on your Android TV so you never miss out the latest movies and shows. Whether you want the newest features or just a smooth streaming experience, I've got you covered. So let's dive into the video. First, you need to go ahead and open the Google Play Store from your Android TV home screen, and then simply go ahead and open apps. Use the search function to find the Disney Plus application and check for updates. If you see an update button over there instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and you'll be done. Another thing you can do is after the update, open the Disney Plus to make sure that the new version works correctly and turn on automatic updates, which is optional. To do this, you need to go to settings and then go to apps and then go to Disney and auto update. If you don't see an update button, check your internet connection or clear the app's cache by going to settings and then go to apps and then go to Disney and clear cache. Remember that the Android TV models support this list of devices over here. And Disney Plus application is available in Android TV, Android, Apple TV, Chromecast, which is in Android, Chromecast in iOS as well, Fire TV, and all other devices as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.